going to show you how you can create a formula to show revenue growth rate. So I'm going to click New Formula. And I'm going to start out by clicking New Component. So here I'm going to look at Data Function, and I'm going to choose Sum of. I'm going to choose for this one versus sales, and I'm going to choose the field Total Price. I can also add a filter here if I want to make sure that it's the correct state, but for this one I will just leave the filter out of it. Good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this one, the grouping, and I'm going to drag and drop it here, and then I'm going to drop my component into the group. I'm then going to go here and click Duplicate Component, and I'm going to add a history modifier. So I'm just going to add a history modifier to offset this by 1 month. And then I'm going to change this to minus. Good. So now I'm going to duplicate the component again, and I'm going to pull this one out of the parenthesis right here, and I'm going to change that to divide, like that. So we still have the history data offset, so the history modifier by 1 month here. And then over here on number format, I'm going to click percentage. And there you have it, your revenue growth rate.